Our product is obviously, it's not only structurally superior to other products, but we offer it at a great price, and it's got great timelines and constructability on the job site. So Advanced Precast is basically involved in all aspects of construction. We're in the high-rise residential. We do a lot of infrastructure projects, whether it's hospitals, water treatment plants, courthouses, jails. We do quite a bit of also commercial industrial work.
The strength of the Advanced is one triangle in a precast industry: price, service, and quality. And you try to maintain these three, automatically you have projects, no problem.
Look after the customer, and you make the customer at the end of the job, you make them happy. And 90% of our customers are repeat customers. They come back to us.
Frank Casamata. I own New Empire Contractors. I found that Advanced Precast have the best price. And we don't just look at price, we look at the efficiency and if they're there, the service. That is number one, is the service. And we found them always on time, and we've never had a problem with them. It's always there, and if there's any problem, which anywhere in construction there's a problem, they will resolve it quickly.
I know the Advanced Precast for a couple of years now. I know Mauro and Andy, helping them with a couple of real estate transactions they have done with me. And I know how much love they put in this business.
We do meet the demands and service our clients. Again, which is why a lot of our clients over the last 20 years are repeat clients.
The U.S. is a market that we manufacture and deliver to as well, and we're very active in, and we have a lot of experience in both Canada and the U.S.
Our plan is to make everybody happy and good service and good quality.